Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on how to configure and verify site-to-site VPN. And this is my small topology. I have one inside network. I have two firewalls. One is for VPN and one is for the inside network, a normal one. So my inside network is connected to eth1/2 and outside is connected to eth1/1. I have one edge router, so it's acting as a ISP. So for that, for it's connecting to the VPN, I'm using a 2.2.1 and 2.2.2/58. So I'm using a 172.16.1.1/24 for a tunnel IP and 172.16.1.2 for a site V tunnel IP. So this is the VPN firewall. This is having a 192.168.4.0 network, and this is the management server for that 192.168.238.246. Okay, let's log in and configure. So this firewall is already configured for with the eth1/2 and eth1/1. So I need to configure a tunnel for this, and I need to configure a VPN, and we need to configure a route as well. So let's log in and I will show how what and all I have created. Okay, first, go to the network and go to the first zones. First, you need to create a zones. So I have already three zones, DMG, inside and outside. So I want to create a one VPN zone, VPN, and the type should be a layer 3. Click on OK and go to the interfaces. I have three interfaces. One is outside, second is inside, and eth1/3 is my DMG. So I need to create one tunnel. Click on add. So mention any name. So mention VPN tunnel. So virtual router as a default, security zone as a VPN, and IPv4 for this tunnel is 172.16.1.1 with a /24, and go to the advanced management profile as ping profile. Click on OK. So we have created a zone interface. Now go to the virtual route. So default, go to the default. I have a static routes towards internet, which is pointing to the next hop is 100.1. This is the normal traffic. When we are creating for a VPN, so we need to add a one more route for a VPN tunnel, VPN route. So my destination network is 192.168.4.100, which is connecting to the VPN site. So my destination network is 192.168.4.0/24, and which is going via tunnel interface, and next hop IP address is 216.1.2. So this is the IP address 1.2. This is the tunnel IP address. Our destination network 192.168.4.0/24. Click on OK. Click on OK. So we have created a zone interface virtual tunnel. Now we need to allow the policy security. So this is a VPN rule. Source is my interested traffic is inside network and outside network and a VPN. So similarly the destination is all inside, outside and VPN. So any application, any services action is allowed. Click on OK. So we have created a rule as well, and click on commit. Okay, configuration committed successfully. Click on close. And this is what we have done is this is a normal stuff. So now we will create the actual phase 1 and phase 2. Go to the network, and in network profiles here is the IKE crypto. Click on IKE crypto. So we don't have any, these are the default profiles, so we will create our own. Click on add. You can provide IKE key profile, and here is the DH group. So I will add a group 2. Authentication, I will go with a SHA-1, and encryption is AES, and this is the key lifetime 8 hours. Click on OK. So we have created the IK profile. Go to the Ipsec. Similarly, these are all the by default profiles. Click on add Ipsec profile. Encryption AES, authentication is SHA-1, and group 2 hours is lifetime is, you can mention how many hours you want, so I will leave it as it is. Click on OK. So my Ipsec profile is ready. Now go to the IK gateways. Click on add. So provide any name, IK gateway. So version, there are different versions, IK version 1, version 2. So I will go with IK version 1. So address type is IP4, interface is my ETH1/1, and local IP address is 192.168.100.2, and peer IP address is, my peer IP address is 2.2.2, and provide the pre-shared key. So I will go with the admin add 123, admin add 123, and local identification. So I will go with IP address. Local IP address is 192.168.100.2, and similarly for the peer identification, so this peer IP address is 2.2.2.2. Go to the advanced options. So enable passive mode. I'm not clicking. If it is enabled though, then will not initiate any VPN traffic. Enable NAT traversal, I'm not going with this. IK version 1 exchange mode, so I will go with the main mode, IK crypto profile. So how earlier we have created the IK profile, that is the IK profile. Select that one. Click on OK. So my IK gateway profile is ready. Go to the Ipsec tunnel. Click on add. So this is Ipsec tunnel. So tunnel interface is my tunnel 1, and this is the auto key. Address is IPv4, and IK gateway. Select the profile what we have created for IKE, and Ipsec crypto. Select the profile what we have created earlier, Ipsec profile. This is used for the proxy. So that's it. So click on OK. So my Ipsec tunnel is ready. So commit the changes and click on commit. So similarly we will create it for this site B. So I have already logged in with 192.168.238.246. Let's log in with the admin. Okay, change the password, admin. I will go with admin at 123. And log in. And admin at 123. Okay, first in first, close this one. So go to the network. So first we'll create a interface management for a ping. Select the ping option, click on OK, and first we will create a zones. So we will create a 3 zones. One is inside, one is outside, and one is VPN. Inside type should be layer 3. Click on OK, and go to the add it one more outside. Type should be layer 3. Click on OK, and click on add one more VPN, that is type 3, layer 3. Select it. Go to the interfaces. So ETH1/1, eth1/1 is which is connecting to outside, so it's my outside. Interface type should be a layer 3, and virtual router I will go with the by default router. Security zone as outside. IPv4 is click on add 2.2.2 with a /8, and IPv6 SD-WAN advanced. Go to the management profile and select the ping profile. Click on OK. So I have done with the eth1/1. Now similarly we will do it for eth1/2. That is my inside, and interface type should be a layer 3, and virtual router as a default. Security zone as my inside. IPv4 is 192.168.4.100/24, and go to the advanced and select the ping profile. Click on OK. So we have created two interfaces. Now go to the tunnel. We will create one tunnel interface for VPN. This is a tunnel, which is VPN tunnel, and virtual router as default, security zone as VPN. Go to the IPv4 and assign the IP address 172.168.1.2/24. Go to the advanced and select the ping profile. On OK. So we have created a tunnel interface. Now go to the virtual router, and we don't have any static route or a default route here, so we will add it. Go to the static routes, add a default routes first. Network, any subnet mask. The next hop is my eth1/1, that is outside, and send it to 2.2.2.1. 2.2.2.1. Okay, and click on add for one more. This is for VPN route, and the destination is my 192.168.2.0 network, and interface is my tunnel interfaces. Next hop is the next hop should. Okay, my next hop is 172.168.1.1. Click on OK, and we have done with the virtual router as well. Now go create a policy, and go to the policies and securities. So for the test purpose I will allow it any. This is a VPN tunnel, VPN rule. So go to the source, select any. Destination is select any. Application is any services action is allowed. Click on OK. So commit the changes. Okay, configuration committed successfully. Okay, now we will create the VPN phase 1 and phase 2 tunnels. Like, go to the networks and go to the network profile, select the IKE crypto, and we don't have here is the default profile, so click on add. So similarly we will give a name IKE profile, and whatever the DH group we have selected, similarly we need to select the same groups here also. The group 2, and authentication is SHA-1, encryption is AES, and 8 hours it is I will make it as a 1 hour. Click on OK. Ipsec crypto, click on add. Here is the Ipsec profile, and AES is encryption is AES 128, authentication is SHA-1, and development group is group 2, and ours is 1. So I think I have made a mistake here. So here is the 8 hours. So I have created IKE crypto and IPsec profiles. So now we will create the IKE gateways. Go to the IKE gateways and click on add. So we can mention IKE gateway. So I'm using a IKE version only one. So here is the IP address. So IP address of interface is my eth1/1, that is having a 2.2 IP address. Peer IP address is my peer IP address is 192.168.100.100.2, and T shape is admin 123, admin 123. Local identifier is my IP address. IP address is 2.2.2.2, and peer IP address is 192.168.100. And go to the advanced options. I'm not going with one. IKE version exchange mode is main mode, and IKE crypto profile is my IKE profile. Click on OK. So my IKE profile is ready. So now we will go to the IPsec tunnel. Create an IPsec tunnel. So provide any name, IPsec tunnel. Tunnel interface is my tunnel 1. So IPK gateway is IPK gateway, whatever the profile we have created earlier. IPsec profile is IPsec profile. This is used for a proxy. So IPsec tunnel, click on OK. So now commit the changes. Okay, configuration committed successfully. Click on close, and I will log into this edge router. So what I will show you what I have configured earlier. So everything is same, only this interface I have configured the 2.2.2.1. Join interface brief. So fast Ethernet /1 is 2.2.2. Okay, and I'm trying to connect from user PC2 to the VPN firewall. So I will start these switches and router. Okay, I'm just configuring this user one router for our test purpose. So interface is F0/0. Interface is F0/0. IP address is 192.168.4.1/24 subnet, and no chat. And I will handle the IP route, any network, any subnet minus can send it to 192.168.4.100 and do that. IP interface brief. So I got a 4/1 is configured, and let's try to ping the user. This is a 2.12. 168.2.12, and go to this firewalls and check this tunnel whether this tunnel is up or not. Yeah, it's showing as a green, so it's up and running. And similarly we will go here also and click on refresh. Yeah, tunnel is up and running. So if it is up and running, so we will be able to connect. Yeah, I got the connect message. So I'm able to reach the PA firewall 01 for my VPN firewall. Go to the PA firewall 1 and go to the monitor and see the traffic. Can see from inside, from zone VPN to inside, it's coming from 4.1 to description 2.12. We can verify via the CL as well. And mention show VPN and put question mark, so it will show the flow. Click on OK. You can see IPsec tunnel. So it's active one, monitor is off, local IP is this, peer IP is this, and this is the tunnel name information. So if you want to check VPN gateways. So this is the gateways. Here IP address is a local IP address. This is the IKE gateway, and this is the protocol what we have used. And if you want to check security associations, IKE SA. So these are all the security associations, algorithm, and SPI out, message ID. And if you want to see the tunnel, it's a tunnel, local IP proxy, ESP IKE gateway. So this is the way to create a site-to-site VPN. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.